So guys, we saw about the functions in our last video. Now let's move toward the packages. Python has too many packages. You can use as many as packages depending upon your requirement. So in my, I think, second video of series, I show you how to create a package, how to install some package. So if you just go to the file settings, then Python interpreter, it should be just let's click on plus. Now you can install any package, for example, NumPy. In my system, it is already installed, so I don't want to install it again. Just hit install package, it will be installed into your machine. Cancel. So let's start with some basic stuff. So for example, I want to use some math library or math package. So I will just write it like this: import math. That's it. It's so easier to define the package in Python. So now if I want to print something, for example, make.py. Look, when you write something math dot, if you write dot, you will see what are the things you can use or you can do with the math library package. So look, we have too many things to do. For example, I chose, like, I want to print out some pi value. Look, we got the exact pi value. So this is the beauty. For example, I want to do something else, like print dot sign. So what it does, for example, I put some value like 3.3. Okay, now let's print it out. What it does, it gives me 4. What it did, it just round off the value from 3.3 to 4. If I do something like this, 3.1, still it will show me 4 in the output. So this is the way you can round off using math library. So there are many other stuff, cool things you can do with the packages. If you if you have some topic for me to cover up, just put into the comment section. I will definitely cover that topic. If you have any query, you can just put into the comment section. We will discuss, or it's just like a family. If you have some problem, just put into the comments. People will come. I will try my best to solve your problems. So it's just better post comments. So guys, thanks. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.